What's up, guys? It's Normal HVAC. Here to talk about the Motiv X socket sets with ratchets with the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and half. 1/4 inch comes 4 to 14. It's not a bad ratchet, quick release, pretty good feel to it. Comes with this foam case, 3/8 was 6/24. I think it skips. It doesn't skip any sizes. Not a bad ratchet. So 2 adapters, universal joint, 1/2 inch. There's 10 to 32. It skips 29 and 31 and 25. So it's big. It's pretty unusual. Like I said, it does roll, but universal joint, adapters, 3 extensions. This is a quick release. It's a pretty big set. Doesn't fit across my toolbox. Same with this one. I think this is a pretty well good kit. I don't know about professional. I mean, you'd have to be the judge, but I like them. I use them a few times. I haven't seen any issues, no slips or anything like that. But just want to show you guys these in case anybody had any questions. Seem to be well made. I like the logo in there. They don't have SAE sets, so, but they are pretty nice. It's a squared flat face, I guess you'd say. But yeah, a pretty nice set. Thanks, guys.